Wheelgun Wednesday. We haven't brought a wheel gun out here in a while. We're going to do one today on Riders Range. We're going to showcase the Smith & Wesson Model 69 44 Magnum revolver. It's a relatively modern one. You can tell it's got the lock above the extractor. It also has a frame-mounted firing pin instead of a hammer-mounted firing pin like the originals do. Also, this gun has a two-piece barrel, so it's a sleeved barrel that's 2 3/4 inches long, and it has a ball detent lockup for the crane. Used to be a custom feature, now it's standard on the Model 69. Adjustable sights, red ramp front, plain black rear, which I like, and a smooth trigger face, which I really like. I don't like the serrated triggers. It's got some rubber type grips on it that have the Smith & Wesson logo. And again, 44 Magnum. Now, I'm not a really recoil sensitive individual, but the older I get, the less I like to punish my hands. So we're going to shoot this mainly with my hand loads, which are 44 Magnum cases, but they're loaded to 44 special specs. So we're going to put a few shots through this on Wheelgun Wednesday out here in Riders Range. Let's just see how it runs the plates. 5 shots. Oh, this, by the way, this is on an L frame, not an N frame. That's why it's only a 5-shot revolver. And not a real heavy one, at least by 44 Magnum standards. This gun empty is about 34 ounces loaded. It's a little over 38. You can get about the same weight in a full-size 45 with 9 rounds in it, but hey, it's a wheel gun. Alright, works on the plates. Now let's put a few rounds through a 25 just for kicks. Alright, we're going to start with a 12-inch. That shouldn't be that hard to hit. We're going to get the 8-inch next to it. Sure can. How about the center of the silver silhouette? Well, try it again. Hit the silhouette. Not going to get the center. All right, let's move it on down to 50. All right, we're going to try 50 yards. We're going to try the silhouette first. See if I can hit that from here. Ah, looks like that skipped up into it based on the dust. Try the 12-inch next to it, see what I can do. Finally on the 5th shot. Yeah, back in my younger days, I actually, a lot younger days, back in the 70s, I shot a 44 Magnum, but it was an 8 3/8 inch barrel, Magnum ported. And I shot those in the Central Lake Second Chance bowling pin matches. And I did that for a couple of years, and back then, with that 8 3/8 inch end frame 44 Magnum, I could clear 5 pins off the table in a little over 5 seconds, fairly consistently. But this is a whole different ball game. This gun's lighter, smaller, shorter, not Magnum ported. We're gonna see how it works. All right, something I don't like doing out of this, but we're going to give it a try with some Wolf 44 Magnum 240 grain ammo. All right. And this is 240 grain jacketed hollow point ammunition. All right, we'll see if these old hands will handle it. I'm going to stay at 50 yards and try it on the silhouette first. Whoa! Wouldn't want to do this all day long. See if I can do the 12-inch next to it finally. Maybe I am getting recoil sensitive in my old age. So light gun. All right, 12-inch hanging high right. I'm glad this is only a 5-shot revolver. Can I do a 10? Let's try a white 10 and see what'll happen. One more on the white 10, then I'm quitting. All right, that's it. That's enough out of this thing with full house 44 Magnum. Smith & Wesson, model 69. It's actually from the safe to the range. Haven't had this out to play for a while, but we're going to post this on Wednesday, so it's going to be a wheel gun Wednesday. Smith & Wesson, model 69, 44 Magnum. Much rather shoot 44 Special. If you like these videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. We also appreciate if you'll subscribe, click on the notifications so you know what's coming up on Riders Range. Comments down below are always appreciated, and comments on anything else, info@ridersrange.com. Thank you for visiting Riders Range.